Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings for teaching professionals from Mount Senoria School affiliated to the Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations New Delhi, and it is located in Bangalore. So they are hiring teachers for academic year 2022 and 23, and they are hiring for nursery, primary and high school. So they are looking trained experienced faculty with English fluency. The salary is not a constraint for suitable candidates. So if you are interested, you can drop your resume on this mail ID, and also you can directly walk in interview from Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can reach out to them with the given contact number. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.